Hey y'all, welcome to CAJUN I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. Boy, do I have a treat for y'all today. Went to Winn-Dixie earlier today, saw a deal, couldn't pass it up. I got this whole round-eye roast here. We're gonna do it up right. We're gonna hit it up with some of that Uncle Steve's competition cow powder and then his new smoke bomb. Nice and smoky flavor, smells great. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, we're gonna do up some trimming on this. Get a lot of this fat off of here. Now that the trimming's all done, we're gonna go ahead and hit it up with some of this cow powder. Make sure you pat it on in. Get all sides. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit up with this smoke bomb. Now that we're done putting the seasoning on, make sure the grill comes up to temp. We're looking for 375. My grill doesn't do that, so I bumped it up to 400. You're looking to do 15 to 20 minutes per pound. So at a 6-pound roast, you're looking at about an hour and 20 minutes at 375. But since I'm at 400, it'll probably be done in an hour. Oh yeah, we looking good, we smelling good, meat's rested now. Let's go ahead and get us some asparagus over here. With some of them mushrooms. There we go. Looks beautiful. Let's go ahead now and cut into it. Oh yeah. Let's cut off a little bit of piece. Nice and juicy. Oh yeah. That smoke bomb did the trick. Nice and smoky flavor to it. Mixed with that cow powder, just beautiful. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.